In more than 15 years, I've been working with product development as a project manager, and developing new projects or services is all about focus on the customers, understanding the customers or the users' needs. And then it's about making it cheaper, make it faster, and making it better. The last 7, 8 years, I specialized in configuring tools that make execution of projects as smooth and efficient as possible. Configure them so they reflect the project and the organization's needs. Make them as easy and simple to use, and eliminate as much manual work as possible. And of course, based on the principle of the single source of truth. So anybody can find anything, anytime in a few minutes. Real-time project management is built on a standard AI-powered Microsoft application. And the great news is that they are already available in your organization right now.